One note of caution, that's where you want it sitting. Make sure you do not hit the spring. You will break the spring. Ask me how I know. Ha ha ha. That kind of gives you an overview a little bit where the jack is sitting. Now, as you can see, that bike is on up there. If you don't want it to slide or roll, secure it right there. It's got a full 950-pound bike up there. There you go. Let's look over here. There you go. It's resting on the center stand back there. Now many ask, well, should I anchor the bike down once it's on here? Well, let me show you. They provide anchor points if you want to strap your bike down. There's two on this side, and there's two on this side. One here, one right there. So if you don't feel comfortable without strapping it down, you have anchor points there. We strapped it down for safety purposes. You might even want to wear safety goggles.
That's right. That's right.
Safety latches. This is removable. Bottle jack. Keeps it from rolling around. Well, I hope you took some understanding of the PitBull motorcycle lift by this video today. A lot of the GoldWingers have had questions regarding where are the mounting points, where does the bike sit on the bottom. And you can see there's no issues. They do come with an adapter as well for the 2018 Plus. So if you have a PitBull lift and you had a previous version of the GoldWing and you bought a new GoldWing, there's an adapter that comes for the 2018 and Plus. So I would advise you to check out PitBullMotorcycleLifts.com. You know, you got a Honda GoldWing. It is the premium ultimate touring bike in the world. Many of you say, hey, I've got a motorcycle jack. Well, what you have is some small Craftsman or Harbor Freight version. And I got to ask you, do you really want to trust your 950-pound machine on an $85 lift? I personally do not. So I would encourage you to check out PitBullMotorcycleLifts.com. Made in the USA, right here in Tennessee. No, Marty Allison is not paying me to do this video, but when someone makes a great product, I'm going to share the information so that other GoldWingers and motorcyclists can benefit from it as well. So thanks for watching. And as always, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is Memphis Mike. Over and out. See ya.